no slave.
Yeah, ho, 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 ho.
You gon' drip. Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gon' cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? They turned it to 60. How much you got on you? It left me to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got Mr. Mike here.
What's up?
Oh, trying to take out this quarter glass on the 85 Landau. So you got this one little clip that's up top. You got two at the bottom right there. So trying to figure this out. So we're learning as we go, right? So there's that. That's the upper one. A little bit of rust out of that. So let me go and pull the bottom. And we are on to the next day. So we got one side down. Big thanks to Mr. Mike as always. So we got that down. He couldn't do this. He couldn't weld in here because there's lead in here. So the joint meets the two joints meet. So you got the top and you got the cell panels right here, right? So that's what that meets. So we just gotta do some body filler in there, and of course up there as well. But he got it. Ain't no rust holes there now. This we got to sandblast because the old bodies got lead on them. So same thing. See how it's like a little corrosion and everything all up in here. So it's got to sandblast this, sandblast all that. Tim has a blaster. I just got to borrow it from him. So it's got to blast all that out. I got to make sure I cover all this. And then blast. Oh man, got fiberglass all through this doggone thing, man. So yeah, just gotta do that. I need to vacuum this. This side over here, we had to stop at. So I got to actually call a company, come out, pull this glass out. Anybody know Landau's, box Chevys? These ain't cheap, so I wasn't about to pull it. So he has to remake all this right here and up. That side wasn't that bad. This side is way worse. So as you see, we just gotta pull all this out. I'll show y'all what I mean. This one you gotta push in on, but I ain't got all the tools and everything. See how that is? See how far the glass goes down? The glass goes on about there and up top. So this one's on the inside. Like I said, this guy right here ain't cheap. Like $1,000. So I ain't trying to play them games with it. And then same thing on the other side of this side. See how that is? So got a lot of work ahead of us. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. So once this is taken care of, blasted and everything, that's out, and then he'll come back out, complete the work. So part 2 to this soon. Yeah, I got the speakers in the Tahoe. I didn't really vlog on it, but I'll show y'all how to do everything. I got a Tahoe, so Caprice is gone. Got a Tahoe. Show you how to do that, how to get the panel off at least for the most part, and let y'all hear everything. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. Big thanks to Mr. Mike for coming out and helping me out with this. know we're not done. I'm going to go to part 2. So keep an eye on the channel. See how everything is going. Now, as you see, the motors and everything is ready. So go ahead and start buttoning everything up. Get a drive shaft under here. Be able to run it. Do everything we need to do. So we're at the finish line. So one of them parts where it started to get like kind of start relaxing at this point. But anyway, go ahead and cut everything short. Till next time, keep it macking. Peace.